rather be completely out of
Hello people. It is a snowy day. We had a gas leak at the office this morning, which is so fun for a Monday morning. So that's just getting cleared up now. What a messy day already. It's so mucky out. It's like -2, and snowing heavy. Look at these snowflakes. I'm just waiting for this all to air out, and then we will continue our day.
We got a little scratch last night on our face. Oh. Yeah, that's some nice hair going on. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's what happens when you wake up 6 times in a night. Yeah, it is. Are you gonna kiss him too? Are you gonna give him a kiss? Oh, you are so sweet. Should we get this house under control? Yeah? Should we get this house under control?
Mama?
Yeah?
I need to go to her.
What's that?
Daddy.
With Daddy? Daddy's at work.
Huh?
Daddy's working.
Yeah, really time.
Yeah, he's working. Outside.
Huh?
Outside.
Hmm?
Daddy's working outside. Really? Spent all day cleaning this room and she's still gonna throw her stuff everywhere. Hi, Apollo. I know, we're waiting for Dad still, hey?
Okay, we're done. We're going home. So much snow. Okay, we'll see you guys in a second.
Is Daddy home? Is Daddy home? Everybody's... Oh, we need the door. Oh.
Hey! Back up, Apollo. Back up. In the house.
Did Apollo get your ear? Really? We're so pumped.
Fart chops and fart heads. Okay, so I'm home. We had a quick bite to eat. And now we're going to play outside. Right? Go play outside. Okay, I'm gonna help her get ready. We are back outside. Apollo, big guy. She's over the sleds and onto the shovel rides.
It's actually easy.
We got a little bit of snow over the day. We're just moving it. If we get some water down tonight, we will see. These two are the happiest bums around.
Elf pile, you know what I mean?
A snowball pile?
Yeah, like in the Elf movie, how they're all stacked up. And you just want
This
to
was Olive's birthday present, and we're gonna have snowball fights with the whole neighborhood. We're gonna walk around when it's warmer and just do like 100 piles of snowballs. Start throwing them at kids.
Okay, 1. Oh.
Ignore that.
1. Oh, not enough snow in that one. Apollo, move. Oh.
Pull it back up.
Can you please?
Mom's so confused.
She's like,
Mom,
I
that's
really
not how
want
it
this
goes.
bowl. Here, this is gonna be a good one. I can feel it. Oh, he stepped on the other one. Move.
Yes.
Here. Turtle. How cute. Aww. Do you want a ball, Apollo? Are you joking? He stepped right in the middle. Are you joking? That took so long. You're just walking away?
It's getting tiring. You lost the glove. Apollo. Is my guy. What are you doing, bud?
My big boy.
You lose a hand.
Oh, he came up and he fell.
So we've got stairs now. Mommy fixed up the stairs. And we got a bum chair.
Come on up.
We've got an awesome hill now. The hill is looking super slick. one of the bigger hills in the place we live in. Come on, girls.
Oh, Mom's falling off. Ready? No, we're going the wrong way. I thought we were going off there.
They almost crashed. But the hill did good. You know, walk up it. It should be good to walk up. No, never mind. Just kidding. How do you run? She's gonna fall into a tree.
Here we go. Oh, why did we go farther?
She went sideways.
Okay, ready?
You doing it again? Are you having a great day outside?
Yeah.
A great evening. Got a tummy full of lasagna.
Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a good
Woo!
one. What are you doing? Are you a puppy? Oh, there.
Almost a face plant. Okay, I'll update you guys. Oh, the rink. We're gonna try to get water on it tonight. It should be cold enough. I should probably put a tarp down, but I'm not too worried. We're doing thin layers. Whoosh, whoosh. Can you do that skating sound? Whoosh, whoosh. Okay, we'll see you guys in 10 to 11 seconds.
Oh.
You guys are the weirdest ones.
That's a cleaned off car. That is snowy and icy. Look at that. Oh, I can't. I can't zoom in. Well, I am venturing to the dollar store again because it's my happy place. Olive fell asleep though, so that sucks. I think I'm going to attempt to put her in the stroller. Maybe lay her down so she can keep sleeping. We shall see what happens. Wish me luck. We made our way to Walmart. Olive is helping me carry the puppy food. Hey? Yeah.
Okay, layer 1 of like 10. Okay, well, we've done 2 layers of water. It's a little splotchy, but ice is forming. You can kind of see it. It's a good first couple layers. Build it up. This is super low end, if you guys can see. Kind of dips down here, so I'll try to build it back up, but I'm not too confident. And there's a hump right here. So low hump. Bring this up about 1 inch. Should be good. I'm going back in now. Wait for the girlies at the store. My girlies are back home. We've got a sleepy lady. Yeah, we watching Minions? Hey, Potato? Yeah, she's a super sleepy girl. So probably just gonna cut ahead to Mama and me. Sweetheart, watch your cup. Watch your cup. Olive, watch your cup. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. I'm being quiet because bedrooms are right there. So, okay. I'm sticking to it. Sick. Okay, we'll check on it in the morning. Okay, guys. So I got the water on there. We'll check on that in the morning. Honey? Honey's going to bed right away. I'm going to upload this jazz, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
I haven't been sober in a week or more, and my card just got declined at the liquor store, and I spent my rent getting bent, yet I'm ready for more.